I threw a mouthwash to the toilet and look what happened. You must know this trick. I will show you what happens when you dare to throw a mouthwash to the toilet. Few people know what this strange trick is for, but I assure you that when you know it, you will thank me forever. Before showing you what it is for to throw it to the toilet, I will tell you some other uses of the mouthwash that you probably did not know, and that I am sure you will love to know. Number 1. Treat the fungus on the nails. Removing the fungus on the nails by hand and foot is one of the most difficult things to achieve. The antiseptic properties of the mouthwash work to eliminate them. Take a small ball of cotton and soak it with the mouthwash. Then apply it directly to the nails and let it rest for a few minutes. If the fungus is strong, mix a part of mouthwash and a part of vinegar. Then apply it to the area twice a week until it heals. Number 2. Use it as a homemade deodorant. If you ever run out of deodorant, the mouthwash can be your alternative. Simply soak a ball of cotton or use a paper towel and rub it under the arms. It will eliminate the bacteria that cause the bad smell and leave a pleasant smell. Never use it after a shave as it could irritate. Number 4. Disinfect the dental brush. The average toothbrush is full of hundreds of thousands of bacteria due to the splashes of the sink and the toilet. This is where the mouthwash can be extremely useful. Place the brush in a cup of mouthwash for about 10 minutes. Then rinse the brush with plenty of water before brushing. The antiseptic qualities will kill the germs and make your toothbrush fresh and clean. Now that you know several uses you can give the mouthwash, it's time to tell you what it's good for to throw it in the toilet. Among the multiple active ingredients of mouthwash, one is alcohol, which makes it a very powerful antiseptic that fights and eliminates bacteria. Simply pour mouthwash around the toilet and let it sit for about an hour. After the time passes, use the toothbrush for a good scrub before throwing it away. You can also pour a couple of plugs in the tank to eliminate the bacteria from the water and keep it fresh. If you got here, leave me below the city from where you see us, so I know you saw all the content.